What's good, YouTube family? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit of a day in the life of what I've been doing lately in this month of January. We've been kind of off of YouTube, just kind of refocusing in terms of what we want to do for this year. And a lot of it has to do with our sponsor of this video, Whatnot. So I don't know if you guys have known, but we just posted our last video where we had that giveaway for the Red Thunder 4s. But basically, I've been on the Whatnot app twice a week trying to sell shoes that I've been finding in terms of steals and trying to give back to that community. I'm telling you guys right now, Whatnot has definitely picked up the pace in terms of picking up influencers, IG resellers, sneaker resellers, and even cards if you guys have that hobby. So definitely go ahead and check that out. I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link down in the description below where you'll be able to earn $10, and I earn $10 if you go ahead and use that link and sign up for an account. It goes off towards your first purchase, so definitely check out that, and I appreciate y'all for that. All right, so now let's get more into the video. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of unboxings and show what we've also sold later on in the video in terms of what we've done with the Whatnot. So first, I have 3 packages here. Let's go ahead and check it out and tell me what you guys think in the comments below. First package comes from our boys, our family at the McDowells. I appreciate y'all for sending this over. Had to support one time, and I love opening these boxes just because they have that personalized look in terms of all the different shirts that he's been releasing. So Jimmy has been definitely pushing heat, and I think this is, oh, this is fire. Bro, I've really been into these like kind of like already faded black shirts, which I think I want to put out on my next merch. But if you guys check this out, this one is the Chicago Bulls. I think it's the Olympics. Yeah, Olympiacos BC, and this one is circa 18 October 1997. This was a really dope kind of design that I liked on it. You have MJ kind of soaring through. Definitely dope. So I appreciate McDonald's for getting this order shipped out very, very quickly. I should be rocking these in the next fit pick. The next package we have here, oh, what's this? It's a big package. Shout out Moondust for the knife. Open this up. I wonder why this would be shipped in this box. Oh, this is the board. All right, so this one was actually a collaboration with our guys Nike SB. I believe it's our guys Nike SB or Nothing. They added some stickers on here, and this was actually a board that I'm gonna go ahead and put up on the wall. But I appreciate you for this. Have a Nike SB day. This is dope. And then also we got 20% off your next order, and this was actually a collaboration with Carter Graph X. So super cool to see. And then you even throw in a keychain. That is dope, man. I actually had one of these pairs. All right, and the one, oh, right here, and the homies Andy, Nike SB or Nothing. So I had to support. I definitely like this skateboard deck. If you guys know, you know why. They have another, gave another sticker, which is pretty cool. Appreciate you. But this is basically gonna go up on the wall. This is I believe it's 8 inches or 8 feet or whatever the thing is. But basically, if you flip it around, you got the 20 years of SB, and I definitely had to get this one just because this has bring me back to everything I've been doing with this sneaker journey. Nike SB, I can tell in the back of my wall, is what we've been building off of, and you have the iconic brown box, you got the iconic silver box, the pink box, you got the black box, gold box, blue box. This just basically has the 20 years that this has been in history, and all the boxes here. If you guys look at my closet right behind it, I have all the boxes, and this just kind of I had to buy this to pay homage for exactly what the shoe game has done for me in terms of the business and also my own passion. So had to cop this, gonna put this on the wall, and I appreciate Andy for sending that early link. And Carter Graph X, man, this was such a dope collaboration. I cannot wait to showcase these in my videos. Lastly, we got a big box from our family at Retro Grails. I think this is some unreleased heat. Let's go ahead and review these, and this will basically be my review for this shoe. This packaging is A1, bro. Appreciate you. So I got 2 pairs of this right here. If you guys know this box, this is set to release on March 6th, but you know, with delays, basically you don't know when exactly these are gonna come. But definitely you got that UNC vibe all over, and you've been seeing a lot of this kind of cement print depending on what Jordan it is. So we'll go ahead and pull these out. I think the MSRP for these are, oh, this doesn't have one. Oh, early pairs. I believe MSRP is like $210 on these. Woo! Woo! Oh, these are nice. Oh, yeah, these are nice. You got the UNC colorway in the Jordan 6 silhouette. I really actually mess with these heavy. This baby blue reminds me of that university blue. Yeah, this suede nubuck type of material on the uppers. You got the iconic kind of tongue here where they have on these. I just don't know how I would be able to rock these, but what do you guys think in terms of this pair? Will you be copying or dropping? You got like the remember when they had the UNC 4s, they had this on the tongue. This is also on the back tab. So I don't know if I like that touch. I think I'd rather have the Jumpman logo, to be honest with you. But I definitely think I like this colorway. I think I'm gonna see a lot of people rocking these. Probably some type of protection is gonna be needed in terms of this suede and nubuck, because I will dirty these with a quickness. But overall, you got the icy soles. I don't know, man. I don't know if I like this that much in terms of icy soles, but you know, these are probably gonna get yellowed in the future. For me, I'm not a big fan of 6s, but I think the colorway on this is definitely gonna pop. I think these are gonna sell out everywhere. And yeah, I think that's pretty much my review on these. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Early pairs, I mean, we're 2 months out early, so I definitely think this is gonna be something that we'll be seeing in our channel a lot more. And yeah, if you mess with these, let me know in the comments below. All right, I just wanted to go into the other room really quick and kind of just show you in terms of what we sold in the one night of a stream that we had on Whatnot. We were basically on for about an hour, and the thing I like about Whatnot, it's a lot of like auctions. So you can start like at $1, you can start at like 200, whatever it is when the crowd's going. And basically for the amount of hours that we were on, we sold about 8 pairs of shoes, and we also sold some merch. So definitely cool community. You guys should definitely check it out. People become very familiar in terms of where you are in the sneaker industry and the streams that you're on. But let me just kind of show you what we sold so far. As you guys know, we got Thunders. I think these sold for like $150. That's a steal. We sold these ones for, you know, the pan bread ones. Those sold for about $330. And then we got these green SBs here. These sold for $305. So you're definitely going to be seeing a lot of steals from your favorite influencers, YouTubers, resellers. This person, shout out to them, purchased a pair of Oreo 4 size 9, and also my used pair of Travis's. So sad to see those go, but they gotta go, pay the bills, you feel me? We also sold a pair of these for like $140. That's a steal. And then these sold for like $200, which market at a size 11 for the undefeated Air Forces that look like the black Air Forces, but in the dunks. These sold for about, I think, $200, so that's a steal. The homie Dexter bought these ray guns, and these are definitely gems. OG box as well. And then I also sold black and white pandas. So yeah, that's pretty much what we've been doing the last couple weeks. Definitely hope you guys can go ahead and join that platform. Whatnot, definitely dope. We're still selling shoes. We're gonna be reopening our website, and you know, we're still gonna be pushing out content. Hopefully go to some events, Kobe swap meet maybe. We'll see what happens. But yeah, I mean, this is pretty much it. This is what we do on our daily basis. We try to sell shoes, ship them out next day, get some early release shoes, just like these UNCs, and even support some of the homies that have brands. So definitely kind of to sum up a day in the life, what we do. Yeah, so if you guys like this content, please like this video, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and also I appreciate y'all for supporting, man. This journey's been fun, and we're gonna keep it going. Always remember, y'all, stay in stock with OOSKicks. Peace.